from the west, but you move around like Bay. All like that day. Oh, you was right around the money, yeah. I want you here now, I'm missing on my baby. You already know flame.
Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another daily vlog, a day in the life of the Yeada. Yeada here. For those of you that are new, if you are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamour Squad, especially while you're already here. Y'all, we are getting ready to head out for a lunch date with the girls. We are headed to Cooper's Hawk this afternoon. Excuse the clothes, y'all. I was doing a get ready with me reels, TikTok, whatever. So make sure y'all are following me on my socials. That way y'all can see that get ready with me once I edit it and everything. But yes, so we're getting ready to head out for lunch. We're meeting Nadia and Daria. She is in town from Dallas. So yes, we're getting ready to do that. And then once we leave there, I have to make a return at Target. And then y'all, so remember this vase, or not vase, remember this that I bought like weeks ago? I don't even know where the receipt is at, but we're taking it back, y'all. We taking it back because y'all know I'm a sucker for anything black. So if I see something cute and for $8, I'm like, let me just grab it. Now, for $8, I could just keep it, but I really don't have a place for it to go. And I'm really bad at just picking up stuff, thinking I got somewhere for it to go, and I don't. Like, it's literally been sitting in the bag since the day that I bought it. So it's going back. And we need to get some press-ons anyway. I took my press-ons off this morning, just painted my nails white. So yeah, we need to buy some press-ons. And the last time I was at Tjmaxx, they had the press-ons for like $3.99. So I'm like, if I return that, I'm also gonna see what else they got, but I'm gonna return that, and then I can just get the nails if they have them at this Tjmaxx. So we gonna see, but we're gonna go to lunch, Target, Tjmaxx, and then we're gonna come back here. I don't think we're gonna get into anything like tonight. It's cold, it's rainy, like it's cloudy, so I would be in the house all day, okay? This is the type of weather that I just want to relax and do nothing. But we're gonna get out. We ain't gonna let this weather stop our plans. So let's go get up out of here. We have reservations at 2:45. So yeah, we gotta go. See y'all when we get there.
I'm taking my freedom, pulling it off the shelf, putting it on my chain, wearing it around my neck. I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my car, wherever I choose to go, it won't take me far. I'm living my life like it's golden, living my life like it's golden, living my life like it's golden, living my life like it's golden.
Hey y'all, so we just made it to Target and it just wanted to start raining. So I gotta get a new umbrella while I'm in here because this umbrella, like, it's too little. It's too little, so I need to get like a bigger umbrella. So I'm gonna get an umbrella while I'm in here. But like I said, we just literally running in to do a return. I'm not even trying to look for anything else. So yeah, if they have this, I can do an exchange. But if not, literally I'm just like running in and running out. So I probably won't even take y'all inside with me. But we are still gonna go to Tjmaxx once we leave here. So I'll vlog inside of Tjmaxx. So let's go.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Cause you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, there's
So they definitely got some cute stuff I don't need right now. So I'm just getting some pillowcases and nails. Time to go check out. Hey y'all, so we have made it back home, but just for a little minute. Okay, Tjmaxx, I ended up just returning that black cute decor piece. Okay, and I got some new press-on nails. Okay, $4.99, y'all. You can't beat that. And then I ended up getting some white satin pillowcases, or they calling them hair care pillowcase, but I needed some of these for the hair. So that's all I ended up getting from Tjmaxx. Target, I literally ran in, made my return, and came out like they didn't get your girl today. Okay, and I said I was gonna buy an umbrella. I didn't end up buying an umbrella because I want like a big one. Okay, and they didn't have any. Cooper's Hawk, fire. I had the sweet chili calamari and lobster bisque soup. Chef's kiss. It's so good. And I feel like the lobster bisque soup this time had like a lot of lobster in it. Like usually they put like, I feel like, do it be shrimp in there? I feel like it'd be shrimp in there, but it was a lot of lobster in there this time, so it was really, really good. But I came home literally for a brief minute. My sister is actually finna come pick me up because we're about to get ready to go to Tequila and Tacos. It's like a restaurant slash bar. So yeah, I probably won't even eat again, but they got some bomb tacos. Okay, they shrimp tacos, they salmon tacos. Like I haven't been there in like over a year. No, maybe longer. Maybe a couple years. It's been a minute since I've gone there, but they food was always good, and they tacos are so good. But y'all, so these, let me show y'all these new shoes that I got. These are my new booties that I got from DSW. They're by Madden Girl, and I had these on all day. And I did a lot of walking. My feet hurt. And I'm not a heel person, but like those, I feel like they were comfortable for a good minute. But now like my feet hurt. So I'm like, before I go anywhere else, I need to change shoes. And also switch out this like sweater and put on a jacket. Because it's cooler outside now. And it started back raining again. So we're literally running in for a quick second. I'm waiting for my sister to come and pick me up, and then we'll be headed back out. So I probably will get some clips in there so y'all can see what it's like, because y'all know I'm always putting y'all on to new restaurants. It's not new. It may be new to y'all. But yeah, it's good. So we finna go. Hey y'all, so it is the next day, and I know y'all probably like, Yeada, you told us it was gonna be a day in the life. I know, but by the time I got home last night, I didn't feel like picking up the camera. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to bed. I'll talk to them in the morning or talk to them later on in the afternoon, which it is the afternoon, by the way. But yes, y'all, yesterday, so first off, Cooper's Hawk, good. That sweet chili, I got the sweet chili calamari, so good. And the lobster bisque soup, always good. But we went to Tjmaxx yesterday, and y'all, Tjmaxx was like Black Friday, so I tried to get as much footage as I could in there. The only thing that I ended up getting was those pillowcases and some new press-on nails, which we're gonna put those on tonight. Y'all ain't gotta see that though. But yes, the press-ons, I'm telling y'all better get on the press-on wave, because it's been saving your girl a lot of money. Okay, a lot of money. And then we ended up going out last night to Tequila Tacos in Miller. Okay, if you're in the 219 area, y'all know about Tequila and Tacos. But them tacos is so good. I could not go. I wasn't even hungry, but I could not go and not get a taco. The salmon tacos is my favorite, and I got one, y'all, and it was so good. I'm like, I should have got another one, but I wasn't trying to be greedy. But yeah, so them tacos was really, really good. But I got some packages from Amazon yesterday, and I wanted to open them for y'all yesterday. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open those now. But y'all, so we got 3 things, okay, to open. And I ordered all of these literally on the same day, so I don't even know why they packaged them separately. But anyways, so the first one that I'm gonna open, I already know what this is, y'all. I bought a ponytail. And before y'all even start, because my sister was like, why would you buy a ponytail? I know. I bought a ponytail. This is what I bought. This is the Organique Pony Pro Weave Ponytail. Y'all, I seen it on TikTok. TikTok made me buy it for real, because I seen it, and you literally just braid your hair and slide this up your ponytail, the braid. So cute. It was so cute on the girl. Let me see. I don't know how long it is, if it's longer than my hair. It's kind of like tacked in, so I can't. I'll show y'all, or y'all will see it on me maybe in the next vlog. I don't know, maybe in the next vlog y'all might see this on me. But I specifically bought it because I'm in a wedding and we're gonna be wearing our hair in a ponytail, and I feel like if my hair sweat out with this ponytail, I ain't gotta worry about my hair sweating, because my hair will be braided up. Y'all get where I'm getting at? Yeah, so that's why we bought this. We're gonna try it out. If it works, it works. I know y'all probably like, Yeada, you just first the clip-ins, the color clip-ins, now we buying weave ponytails. I know. We gonna see. And then I also, TikTok made me buy this too. Well, the influencers. A little unboxing. But y'all know the Bottega dupe sunglasses? Yeah, we got them. If you know me, you know I love me some sunglasses. And I just broke 2 of my favorite sunglasses. So I was like, this is coming at a perfect time. So these are what they are. Oops. Let's see what they look like. They so cute. I ended up getting the gold ones. Ooh. Y'all, these are fire. With like a cute hairdo. Get out of here. Y'all, I got these for, how much was these? I got them during the Amazon like week or whatever. So I want to say they was like, were they $12? Maybe. I can't remember how much I paid for them. But they will be linked down in my Amazon storefront. Literally everything that y'all see me showing y'all today will be linked down in my Amazon storefront. And then one more thing. So y'all know those lights that I had bought when I redid my closet? Well, I ended up ordering some more for the other 2 like shelves or whatever. So that way now I'll have the 4 instead of the 2. And the good thing about these lights are that they're rechargeable. So this is what they are. Dang, the box all kind of like beat up, but this is what they are. They're LED motion sensor lights. And so you get 2 in the pack. And again, if you watched my closet makeover video, you would have seen these. But I just ordered the exact same ones. Let me try to. Okay. Yeah, so this is what they look like. And then they come with the little pieces on the back. so they can tack onto the closet or the shelf. But yeah, so happy about that. And again, everything will be linked down in the description box, so you can check out my storefront. But that is it, y'all. So I'm finna get ready to go and put these lights up in the closet. We're gonna try out this ponytail. I'm not gonna try it out today but especially with this big hair, so I'm gonna have to wait until my hair is straight, which I'm gonna actually be somebody, a special somebody, y'all. I got some good stuff coming up, and I'm getting my hair done this week, and I'm gonna try to film for that. That way y'all can see who's doing my hair. Like, it's gonna be crazy. But I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamour Squad. Follow me on Instagram, y'all, at glamour_chick, TikTok at Yeada_B, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, y'all.